I don't wanna do my homework. 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 Teachers assign me homework. They say pages 2 through 93. I don't wanna do this show. This homework's getting out of control. But if I don't do it, I won't be on the honor roll. More important things to do, like playing Modern Warfare 2. You call it bleep a homework pass? Yeah, that's a homework pass. You don't want to do this? I'm really getting sick of this stuff. All these zeros on my grade is really gonna make it rip. The teachers don't like me, cause I just play 360. When I'm in school all day, all I want to do is play. The teachers to do all the work, and I just sit and play. That's what I think about, and the teachers sit and pout. And I'll just laugh at them and give them a detention.